Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch today, and this could be a phenomenal dinner. It's pretty hearty, a good meal. It is a Mexican picadillo here, and I serve it with, right on top, a broccoli and mango salsa. I have it on plastic wrap here because I want to be able to pick it up and heat up the picadillo below. But here you can see this beautiful broccoli and mango salsa. It's got some roasted corn in there, red peppers. All I did was put olive oil and red wine vinegar in it, and it is super tasty. You just chop up the broccoli super small and then mix it together. So I could pull all that out and eat that as cold, but I'm gonna heat up this beautiful Mexican picadillo here. It's got golden potatoes, ground turkey on a bed of spinach with some tomatoes in there. It's got cilantro right on top. And so this is gonna be really good with some hot sauce. I got this killer Cholula hot sauce. It's a tequila and lime flavored Cholula. I've never seen it before. It says Reserva on it, so obviously it's a special batch they put out, but look for it. It was an HEB if you're in Texas. And but I'm gonna heat this up. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be good. I got a little hot dish, a little cold. It's nice and kind of chilly and rainy outside, so it's perfect. I'm gonna be enjoying this. Guys, it's coming out in the app tomorrow. I hope you enjoy it too. Thanks and have a great day.